First of all, llongyfarchiadau on being appointed first team manager of the club. As an ex-player and local resident, what does it mean to you taking over this role, and what are the headline changes you're looking to make?
Well, biggest thing for me, I've known the area. I've been here for 20 years, and especially from a club side of it, what do we need to improve on? We had loads of managers here at the club with 15, 16 players coming from away, and looked at it as I'm trying to do a different culture for the club. Looking at the youth, looking at the kids that we've got coming through, so that it's a project at the club at this moment in time for the next 3 years. Looking at players that we want to bring in, a different kind of mentality, players that been at the pro games and literally with a desire to get back into the pro game. Them type of players that that we need to bring and entice into this football club. And somebody said, we'll be a young squad this year, but we'll be a fit squad.
Right. Not exactly the ideal first pre-season for you as manager. What changes have you had to make to your preparation ahead of the new season?
Well, obviously, I think it's affected everybody, especially, but good news today, seeing that the contract is coming in for next week, for 10th of August. And hopefully we can get some realism then of the games programme that we can. Because it's vital for us to get our games or pre-season friendlies in. And the dates, basically. So we're looking just for some guidance now from the FAW. And hopefully we can get our players back on the pitch.
Great, thank you. A lot of new faces in this year's squad, both local and from away. What are your thoughts on how the squad is coming together?
I'm very happy, but I will turn around. Probably there'll be 1 or 2 more additions coming in. Always looking to strengthen the squad. But as I keep saying, we're a young squad this year, and we will be fit. That's a guarantee. But same thing again. For me, it's realism. Let's get back into the football and let's see what we can do. And as what probably every manager, everybody's got their sights on that top 6, and hopefully then we can work our socks off to get in there.
Right. 2 of the new boys, Owen Jones and Jamie Veal, have both come from professional academies on Merthyr last season. What qualities are you hoping they can bring into the team?
Well, technically they're going to be very good. There's some great videos of the both of them. But same thing again, I would turn around that the both of them haven't played in the Welsh Prem. Do not underestimate the Welsh Prem. You've got some physical teams, you've got very, very fit teams as well, and some very, they train every day, some clubs. And my aspect of what these 2 boys, they're going to bring a breath of fresh air to us. They're giving us a different kind of professionalism in the dressing room and on the pitch. But I can probably say that about another 3 or 4 that's coming into the club. So, I've got high expectations of the 6 and 7s that we brought in, and hopefully there will be a nice little mixture with the local boys.
Right. And finally, the season may be a while away yet, but what is your ambition for next season?
Well, as I said before, top 6 has got to be. I'm not looking backwards, I'm looking forwards. We are trying to strengthen, as what we said, in the squad and in the players that we're bringing in. But then they've got to believe in it as well. You can have all the knowledge and experience in the world, but at this moment in time, we're looking at that youthful team, fitness, and hopefully a very organised one.
Great, thank you, Gav.